Assalamualaikum. Dear students, I am your science teacher for class 4. Due to this pandemic situation, schools are closed again. We are providing you recorded lectures. Please listen to the lectures carefully, do your homework and submit it on time. Open page number 96. Chapter number 11. Topic is matter. Matter, mass and volume. See the following things. Things around us are made of matter. A thing or an object that occupies space and has weight is called matter. हर वो चीज़ जो जगह घेरती हो और वज़न रखती है मैटर कहलाती है. The quantity of matter in anything or object is called its mass. मैटर की मिकदार मास कहलाती है. The amount of space a matter covers is called its volume. जो चीज़ जगह घेरती है वो उसका वॉल्यूम है. For example, बुक ने जो जगह घेरी है वो उसका वॉल्यूम है. ग्लास ने जो जगह घेरी है वो इसका वॉल्यूम है. पेंसिल ने जो जगह घेरी है वो इसका वॉल्यूम है. मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ टाइनी पार्टिकल्स कॉल्ड मॉलिक्यूल्स. मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ टाइनी पार्टिकल्स कॉल्ड मॉलिक्यूल्स. मैटर छोटे ज़रा से मिलकर बना है जो मॉलिक्यूल्स कहलाते हैं. द स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. Solid, liquid and gas are the three states of matter. A matter exists in any one of these three states. For example, water, tea, oil. A bag, a cake or a glass are some examples of solid. If you pick them up and place them somewhere else, their shape and the space they occupy does not change. Solids therefore have definite shape and volume. In a solid, the molecules are closely packed to each other. In the given picture, you can see arrangement of molecules in the solid. Solids have definite shape and volume. Solid का मखसूस शेप और वॉल्यूम होता है. Water, milk and juices of various fruits like mango, orange, grapes are some examples of liquid. You cannot carry a liquid like you carry a solid. A container like a glass or a bowl is needed. A liquid has a definite volume but has no definite shape. Liquid definite volume रखता है लेकिन उसका definite shape नहीं होता है. In a liquid, the molecules are not packed as close together as in solid. They can move around more freely. That is why liquids can flow. लिक्विड के मॉलिक्यूल्स सॉलिड के मॉलिक्यूल्स की तरह करीब करीब नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए ये आज़ादाना हरकत कर सकते हैं. गैसेस. एज यू नो, एयर इज़ द मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेस. द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ gases. As you know, air is a mixture of many gases. The molecules in a gas are far from each other. They move around freely in the space available to them. Molecules of a gas can be squeezed into a small container or spread out in a big container. When you blow air into a balloon, the air gets squeezed into the balloon. When you let it out, it spreads all over the room. It now occupies a larger volume. You can see the arrangement of molecules in the gas. Gases have no fixed shape or volume. गैस का कोई फिक्स शेप और वॉल्यूम नहीं होता है. गैसेस के मॉलिक्यूल लिक्विड के मॉलिक्यूल्स के मुकाबले में बहुत ज़्यादा दूर दूर होते हैं और ये बिल्कुल आज़ादाना हरकत कर सकते हैं. Solid, liquid and gas are three states of matter. A solid has a definite shape and volume. For example, a book, a chair, etc. A liquid has a definite volume but has no definite shape. For example, water, milk, juices, etc. A gas has no fixed shape or volume. For example, air, etc. Please open your science copy. Draw. Now I am giving you homework. Open your science copy. Draw margin line. Mention date. Chapter name matter. Chapter number 11. Question number 1. What are molecules? Answer is, a matter is made up of tiny particles are called molecules. Draw a diagram of molecules. solid, liquid, and gas. Next question number 2. Is air a metal? If yes, why? Answer is yes, air is a matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Now draw a diagram. Solid. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work with neat and clean writing and submit in school on coming Tuesday. Allah Hafiz.